Sisu Terminal Systems and Rolux present the new heavy-duty series cassette transportation system for internal transportation in industry. The Sisu TR241 and Rolux T854 have been designed specifically for trouble-free internal transportation of high-volume goods flow in the steel and other process industries, as well as for loading goods onto ro-ro vessels. This combination is extremely suitable for heavy, uninterrupted use, economically and safely. All functions of the translifter are controlled from the cab of the terminal tractor. The translifter, which is controlled from the cab of the terminal tractor, is driven under the cassette. The translifter centers itself at the center of the cassette by means of the translifter sensors and turning wheels. Using the lift lower lever in the cab, the driver raises the terminal tractor's fifth wheel, and at the same time, the translifter's lift cylinders raise the translifter, whereby the load cassette rises smoothly off the ground to the transportation height. The Sisu TR241 is specifically designed for self-loading lifters. It's equipped with 1000mm lifting hydraulics, a 37-ton Sisu 3.5-inch fifth wheel, dual-action lifting cylinders, and additional hydraulic functions which operate the Rolux translifter. The power line consists of a 10-litre, 242-kilowatt Cummins engine with a fully automatic ZF WG250 transmission and a dependable Sisu axle, especially dimensioned for the tractor. The 330-litre fuel tank is more than sufficient to provide 24 hours of non-stop operation. The cab affords excellent visibility in all directions, and to the most important points regarding operations. When the cassette is at the transportation height, the driver swivels his seat forwards, and transportation can commence. The automatic transmission makes the driver's work easy. The transportation speed depends on the weight of the load. The Rolux translifter's automatic wheel steering makes it easy to work in constricted spaces and protects the tires from sideways stress and forces. The optimal angle of the translifter's wheels guarantee minimum tire wear. For depositing the load cassette at its destination, the driver uses the lift lower lever in the cab to lower the terminal tractor's fifth wheel, and at the same time lowers the translifter using its cylinders until the cassette is on the ground, and the translifter is released from the load cassette. The translifter comes out from under the cassette in the center without touching the inside edges of the cassette. The extensive cooperation between Teco Engineering and Sisu Terminal Systems is the customer's guarantee of efficient, safe, and economical equipment combinations.